Now tell me about your ride. Nice car. Wait, don't like stock headlights? No problem, I change for you. How about these STI LED projectors? Try them on. There, your ride will never look the same with these on it. So who am I? Well, I'm not just one person. I'm a corporation that thrives for the best service in the auto parts industry. But if you need a name to Google me, you can type this.
This video, we'll learn how to install 2004 to 2005 Subaru Impreza WRX STI front bumper side splitter. We can begin at the wheel well by removing the plastic clip shown with the yellow arrow. Also, 2 additional clips in the bottom of the bumper shown with yellow arrows. Don't forget to do the same for the opposite side. We can now place the side splitter into position. Please remember that there's also double-sided tape on the opposite side of this image. Please make sure you tighten the 14mm nut and the 12mm bolt. And right below that, go ahead and push in the clip. At the bottom of the front bumper, put back the 2 clips and the 12mm bolt. Also, do the same for the opposite side. The installation is now complete. Please make sure that everything is secure before taking your vehicle out on the road. Thank you.
Thank you for choosing SPECD Tuning videos to assist you. Please visit SPECDTUNING.com for more products.